Today, I want to teach you how to create an editable banner mockup in Photoshop. Follow along with me step by step to do this. First, using the rectangle tool, we draw a rectangle with the approximate dimensions of our banner. Then, we right-click on its layer and select Convert to Smart Object. We lower the opacity so that we can more accurately adjust the dimensions of the rectangle to the banner's dimensions. We activate Free Transform with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. Then, right-click on the rectangle and select Distort. Now, we drag the corners of the rectangle until it fits exactly over the banner's dimensions. Then, we click on the rectangle layer to apply the settings. We return the opacity to 100%. Now, we double-click on the Smart Object part of the rectangle to enter its window. By doing this, we can easily change the image inside it. Now, we place any image we want onto this rectangle. We enter the window of our desired image and select it with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A, copy it with Ctrl+C, and paste it onto the rectangle with Ctrl+V. We activate its free transform with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. While holding down Alt and Shift, we proportionally enlarge its dimensions until it covers the entire rectangle. We go to the File tab and select Save to save the changes. This will cause the changes to be applied to the main banner. We enter the main window. We observe the result together. By following these steps, you can create an editable banner mockup in Photoshop and easily place different images on it. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.